Hey, Big Jeff coming to you once again. I'm going to put on my crazy hat. No, because it's a serious time. So we started doing some blogs, real cool, and not the normal blogs, just advertising, but blogs, and I have all the employees writing them. So we're writing blogs about product, brands, the company, this company, and some of their experiences in the job they do. Really cool. So you go to bigjeffaudio.com, and then you scroll down as you see here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoa, right there. Read our blogs. You can also catch it all the way at the bottom footer, but you can go there. And once you click on that, it will take you to blog section. If we go back up a little bit more, there you go. There is a way, type, subject, and author, which means if you like reading the stuff or you think one of the CSR people are hot, you can read up after them because they're going to be writing them every other day or a couple of weeks or whatever, but you drop it down and you can follow along with that. But we'll do different blogs. I'll do some blogs. CSR is going to do some blogs. Even the crazy creative team that puts all this stuff up online is going to do blogs. And some of them are pretty cool. I've been reading them myself. They've been talking about working here and dealing with customers and what they think about it. So I'd love for y'all to check it out. Here's the kicker. We're going to do a way of tracking how many people read which one or like which one. And then the person here, the employee that has the most popular blog, will win $100 a month. Nice little bonus there. Fill up your gas tank, go out to dinner, whatever you want to do with it. But so support them. Make sure you check. We're running blogs, I think, every couple days, at least once a week. We're putting 4, 5, 6, 7 up, maybe even more. Blogs about everything. Not just car audio. It's the life of crazy Big Jeff Audio. But I hope you guys like it. Blogs are kind of cool. Some people like to read. I like to read once in a while. It's not all just about videos and pictures or watching some crazy guy up here talk real fast. So, bigjeffaudio.com. And we got our new number. I just want to remind everybody a little bit more. 737-BIG-JEFF. Yeah, you could text it. You could call it. You could WhatsApp it. It comes to the office. And I'm actually think it's kind of cool to have the name on a phone. You might not. Oh, well, it's my name, my phone number. But check it out. You can use it. Text it, WhatsApp it, call it. 737-BIG-JEFF. I hope he's putting it up really, really big in the background. It is 737-244-5333. Or just look at your phone and say 737-BIG-JEFF. Kind of goes together. All right. That was about Big Jeff blogs. I hope you go check them out. Vote on the one you like. Send a message in, even to CSR, and say, hey, I read so-and-so's blog. Really think it's cool. Or send a message in and tell them what you'd like us to write blogs about. We're here to have fun with you. Talk to you soon. Big Jeff signing off. Putting the crazy hat back on.